A plaque in English installed in 1942 by the Britishers to commemorate the Battle of Musabagh fought in 1857, close by to the Lucknow's Eiffel Tower known as TV Tower. Amid all the hustle bustle of the city lies the site of Battle of Musabagh. Unknown to almost everyone lies a white marble plaque installed in the outer wall of Musabagh. You are about to witness almost a lost part of history. This is the plaque giving a brief and important information on the happenings of the events to Musabagh battle. The battle was fought between the English army under General Outram and the Indian army led by Begum Hazrat, Birjit Qadr, Ahmadullah Shah and Mammo Khan in 1858. Thanks for being with me. Goodbye.